3D printing some Gotek stuff for Andrew, and it's been running for an hour and 58 minutes. It will look like this when it's done. Hour and 58 minutes, 224 degrees. Hopefully it'll look like this. And there are two Gotek brackets. One is embossed Amiga and one is just plain. We're gonna hit them with some, not canned air, some adhesion promoter here before we paint them, because this is PLA and PLA is like super slippery. You can still see some glue on the bottom where the parts were held down, and these have a tendency to bow, but this will click right on here to the front. There's two depression tabs here, and there's two nubs that stick out. The brown is from me just testing the khaki against the 2000, and these are full height, so you don't need the spacer bar like my Gotek has down here. You don't need that. Sorry for jumping all around. Will fit right in here like this. Now, depending on the mount, you know, my Gotek is here, but it sits closer to the left. The screen mod doesn't matter because it is irrelevant. The screen goes wherever. It's just these things you need. So if I were to line these up with mine, see, it would fit, but it's just scooted over because the way that the Gotek sits in this board. So that's it for now.